How to turn on the CNC. Locate the main power. Turn to on. Just around the corner from that, it's the air switch. Rotate to inline, air's on. Sneak behind the CNC, through the mess, down past the plumbing. Find the black cord, turn that on. That's your cooling fan for underneath the CNC. Continue around the CNC, checking your sensors as you go. As you get back around to the front of the CNC, you'll see the controller has turned on. At this point, you can power up the CNC. You can power up the CNC and start it on a reference sequence. While the CNC is referencing, I like to hit execute, over, turn on the vacuum pump, come over, and raise my pins. Come back around, make sure the computer itself is powering on. At this point, you wait for the computer. Once the main screen is loaded on the computer, you're going to want to rotate PGM to ISO. That's your program for converting everything from the computer to the handheld. This is your computer. This is your handheld. That's my morning routine. Thanks.